Hi there, I'm Michael Larsen, and I am going to be presenting a workshop at the Pacific Northwest Software Quality Conference 2020 called Add Some Accessibility to Your Day. If you're watching this, my guess is you may have questions. If so, I'm going to try to give you some answers. Let's go. Accessibility testing is looking at a product and determining how useful that product is for the broadest number of people. Accessibility is often associated with people with disabilities, but it's not limited to disabilities. We want to be able to make sure that as many people as possible can use the software effectively. The more people that can use your product, the more possibility you have of selling those products to them. So being able to make sure that the most number of people can use your product effectively, that's why I think it's a very good thing to focus your attention on. I'm going to be focusing on some concepts. I'm going to be focusing on some broad areas that you can consider and think about when it comes to addressing accessibility, the features you can and can't control, and I'm going to show you how to use some common tools, most of them free, that will allow you to get into the swing of things, look at the products that you work with without having to spend a dime and without having to ask anybody for permission. Yes, it is a hands-on workshop. We are going to do our level best to present this in real time. So I am going to be preparing video just in case. This is going to be content that for you attending the workshop, you will have. I will give you access to it and you will be able to take it home with you. We will also do everything that we can to make this interactive and happening in real time if possible. I think that it's an important topic, one that everybody can benefit from. So I hope that you will come join me in October at the Pacific Northwest Software Quality Conference and add some accessibility to your